Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure public.com portfolios for fractional investing. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the public.com app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once on the home screen, locate the Portfolio tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Portfolio tab to access your investment overview. In the Portfolio section, look for the Add Funds button and tap on it. Choose the amount you wish to invest in fractional shares. Select the stocks or ETFs you want to add to your portfolio. For each selection, input the desired investment amount. Review your choices to ensure they meet your investment goals. Confirm your selections by tapping the Invest button. The app will now process your fractional investment. After confirmation, you will see your updated portfolio balance. You can monitor your portfolios through the Portfolio tab. Explore the app's features to learn more about your investments. Adjust your fractions or investments as needed in the future. Stay engaged with market trends directly through the app. Happy investing on public.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.